Sat Sri Akal.
So now we have come to Amritsar. So stay tuned for that. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. So this is gobi paratha, one of the traditional dishes of Amritsar again. And this paratha is thicker than the normal parathas we have. So I am going to try onion kulcha. So this is firni. Firni is very tasty and you must try it. So this is firni. Ishan liked it a lot. It is basically like sheera that is native in Maharashtra and Goa. It tastes like that, but it's cold and it has a great taste. It is a form of dessert which we are eating. It is available almost everywhere in Amritsar. Y'all can surely try it. So now we are in this tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk is like a rickshaw but open rickshaw. It is a speciality of Amritsar, Punjab. It is electric rickshaw, so eco-friendly. And it has ample space for 4 people to sit on, unlike the normal rickshaw. And you can see the view also outside. Sitting in this electric rickshaw. Try it. So we have reached Golden Temple to offer our prayers, and we have to keep our shoes safely so they don't get lost. They have a nice system for keeping shoes so that they don't get lost, like that inside. They have those columns where they keep various shoes, and then we can take them. You have to wash your legs so all the impurities are washed and you can enter the holy place nicely. So it's day 2 in Amritsar, and now it's currently 9 in the morning. We are going to the Golden Temple. As yesterday we did not get the chance to go inside, so today we are going again. So we are here at the Golden Temple, and since yesterday was Baisakhi, there was a lot of crowd over here, the local crowd. But today it is much more calmer and less crowd over here, so today is a good day to come here. So this is a place for pilgrims to quench their thirst. The water in these stalls are supplied by 3 deep bore wells. So now we are heading to the langar to eat the prasad, and it is available 24/7 so that the pilgrims can eat it anytime. This is the community kitchen of the langar. Everybody participates in making one or the other dish like this. Everybody is making something or the other. This is the community kitchen. Everybody from the community has to participate. So all this is pure gold. The Golden Temple itself is made up of real gold. Also it has these intricate carvings on the doors and everywhere. Look at the carvings. So this is the water body, this holy water body, and it is said that if you see a fish with a nose ring, then you will be lucky. So all the people are trying to spot a fish with a nose ring. Shoot that video also, no? we have come to the world famous Gyandi Lassi. They have the best lassi in Amritsar. Look at this. Here you go. So they have a good amount of butter, makhan on the top, which makes it more delicious. This lassi is the perfect combination of salty and sweet. So this is the Durgaina temple. Just like the Golden Temple, it's same like that. So this is Maharaja Ranjit Singh Bahadur. He was the king of Lahore, and this is one of his favorite horses. He loved horse riding. He would go horse riding in the fields of Punjab. So this is a small relic of the Golden Temple. Maharaja Ranjit Singh used to donate gold to the temple every day. And it was gold plated completely in 1830. This is a cannon called Zamzama. So this is the panorama hall. It shows the battlefield. It has live effects, 3D sound effects. So this is Ranjit Singh modernizing his army with British soldiers. So this is a very rare Persian mare called Layli, who is the Maharaja's favorite mare. He was a collector of good breed of horses, and this was one of the rarest of them. So after lunch we are eating the famous softie at Crystal Place. This is very famous. So I got the chocolate softie and Ishan has the vanilla softie. Now we have come to the Shastri market, that is here, to do some Punjabi shopping. Like this is a street, okay, where you find lots of stores. So we have come to this one particular store. So now we are in conversation with our tour guide in Amritsar. He would like to say a few words. Yes. हाँ, इधर क्या फेमस है, आपको अमृतसर क्यों पसंद है, इधर लोग क्यों आते हैं? जैसे
इधर तो गोल्डन टेम्पल फेमस है, ये देखने आते हैं। और इधर खाने का ब्रदर का ढाबा है, केसर का है। और इधर का लस्सी, ज्ञान की लस्सी फेमस है। और एक मंदिर है, दुर्गाना टेम्पल है। इधर बाबा दीप सिंह जी का गुरुद्वारा है। और अमृतसर खाने पीने के लिए भी बहुत फेमस है। सरसों का साग है, इधर मक्की की रोटी है। और नॉन वेज खाना तो इधर क्रिस्टल बहुत रेस्टोरेंट अच्छा है, अच्छा खाना मिलता है। और इधर रेडी मार्केट है, इधर में आपको सभी कोई जो भी चाहिए, वेजिटेरियन नॉन वेज सब मिलेगा इधर आपको।
आपकी इस रिक्शा के बारे में कुछ बोलिए, इलेक्ट्रिक रिक्शा।
ये तो टूरिस्ट को हम इधर घुमाते हैं ना। इधर का मार्केट ड्रेस फुलकारी सूट फेमस है। और 2 आवर में इधर स्टिचिंग भी करते हैं, पाकिस्तानी सूट अच्छे मिलते हैं। इधर क्लॉथ मार्केट है ना इधर, और इधर यही देखने का है।
और इसके बारे में कुछ बोलिए, अपनी रिक्शा के बारे में।
ये तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गाड़ी है, ये तो पसंद करते हैं। जो दूसरी गाड़ियाँ है ना वो डीजल से चलती, वो तो इधर अलाउ नहीं करते। ये बैटरी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक है। इधर बाज़ार जाने के लिए तो गाड़ी अलाउ नहीं है इनसाइड, और ये हर गली में चली जाएगी।
हाँ, ओके, थैंक यू। So now we have come to the ready market where there are a number of food stalls. All kinds of foods are available, from South Indian to North Indian to Chinese. Every type of food is available here. And we are going to try a few places and let you know our experience.
We had bhel puri and it was delicious.
So now we are going to see the Golden Temple in the night. And there are many shops here. We have taken a different route this time, and so we can see a number of shops and the Golden Temple from a different angle. We can see the Golden Temple. Look at how beautiful it looks. So this is the Golden Temple at night. It's gleaming